welcome to Cotton Council International presents Let's Design. अगर इस शो ने अभी तक आपका फैशन सेंस चेंज नहीं किया तो आज कर देगा. Cotton for work, cotton for party, cotton for just relaxing. Basically cotton for all occasions. जी नो, मैं यहाँ पे किसी करोल बाग की कपड़े की दुकान की इनॉग्रेशन स्पीच नहीं दे रही हूँ, बल्कि आपको ये बता रही हूँ कि आप very talented fashion designers are about to present their first ensemble, the spring cotton collection today. आप देखेंगे तो सब समझ जाएंगे. अजय ने अपने आउटफिट में कॉटन फैब्रिक की एक इंटरेस्टिंग क्वालिटी को यूज किया है. It can soak up to 27 times its own weight in water. और कृति ने भी तो रोते रोते अपनी कॉटन टी शर्ट की स्लीव का इस्तेमाल किया. आप ये भी नहीं जानते? Never mind, आपको सब दिखाएंगे, लेकिन सबसे पहले a quick recap. Well, last week Shrivan had a crush and Rajita was running everywhere in a rush क्योंकि उसका garment last moment तक incomplete था. Please, this is it, it's over. Judgment of Task 2 का complete drama. 2 लोग घर जाएंगे.
I think yours was a great effort, but
Welcome back. Tension is mounting क्योंकि कुछ ही देर में हमारी जज जाने वाली हैं. टिंग 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 टिंग. Damn. जब भी हम बात करते हैं जजेस की और उनके आने की तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे बोर्ड के रिजल्ट्स अनाउंस हो रहे हैं. Breathe, girl. Breathe. सब वेट कर रहे हैं कि बस अब जज आ जाएं. ड्रेसेस रेडी हैं और मॉडल्स भी.
Now, did you get it? Anything?
Yes, Harsh, we heard a lot. We heard what Nitya's model had to say about her clothes.
It's kind of, I'm feeling hot in this.
Yeah, we'll get the ACs on.
मैंने अदिति को चूज किया है क्योंकि उनको बिल्कुल फिटिंग ढंग से आ रही है.
How I'd imagined my garment and how it's turned out, I'm not so happy about. तो मुझको अब थोड़ा डर टाइप का लग रहा है.
And finally, she is here. Aparna Chandra, Indian fashion industry की one of the finest and the most beautiful fashion designers. Okay, just a reminder, आप सबके पास सिर्फ 2 मिनट हैं अपना garment showcase करने के लिए. So let's begin with contestant number 1, Harsh, with his model Tanya.
Before I start this whole thing, I want to explain about my idea and how did I reach there. We know that it's a very serious issue of global warming hitting us and our lifestyle. All the nature, everything is affected by global warming. It's happening on a very large scale. This was when global warming affected nature, how nature reacted. Everything goes turning back, it's upside down. If you look at the silhouette also, it's inspired by the bud, which is not ready to open up.
I think it's a very interesting garment. Textures are nice, the colors are nice, but I don't buy everything that you've just said. Yeah, you can send a message out, but that doesn't mean you make it dark.
Spring for me is a lot of colors, a lot of textures, a lot of blossoming. I've tried to capture the spirit of spring in my garment. It's a day wear garment. It's peppy, it's funky, it's fun to wear it. It's very flamboyant. Even my client would be. So that's my garment.
I like the textures. I like the freshness, but I feel there may be too much going on.
I wanted a cleaner look. So there is a layer which is fresh, which is a jolt of color, which just accentuates your garment.
हर्षल, हाँ, आप पहले कंटेस्टेंट थे जिन्होंने अपना काम सबमिट किया था.
मेरे इस गारमेंट में मैंने प्रेस लाइन को डिपिक्ट करने के लिए सिल्हूएट को काफ़ी सिंपल रखा है. It's a simple go-red skirt, a kali skirt with a lot of flare at hem with detailing of broad pin tucks, and the same is done on the sleeves. and the shirt is just a panel cut simple shirt, but the only thing which is highlighting in the shirt is the textures. ये जो कपड़ा हमें जो कटिंग करने के बाद बच जाता है उसके पीसेस को मैंने इसके ऊपर लगा के एम्ब्रॉयडरी स्टिचेस करवाए हैं.
रिसेशन को ध्यान में रखते हुए कपड़ा बचा हुआ है वो यूज किया
मे बी, बट मेरा ये मानना है कि कोई भी चीज़ वेस्ट ना करे तो अच्छा है, अगर उसका सही यूज़ कर सकते हैं.
बहुत अच्छे से आपने यूज़ किया है कपड़ा. द कलर्स आर नाइस. सिलुएट सिंपल नहीं है पर बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. सो ओवरऑल इट्स क्वाइट नाइस.
The concept of the garment is the aerial view of Holland. How Holland looks, एक aerial view say like the tulip gardens. So like how the land is cut in geometric section, but then the tulip is of one color, so the whole thing looks like a color block.
Also you've taken your mood board forward.
Yeah,
right? Next पिछले task से इस task में similarity है.
Well, yeah, I am sort of a very color block geometric person, so I wanted to take that concept forward.
Can you turn
It
around?
can be worn flip side as well.
And what would happen to the pockets?
Yeah, the pockets become non-functional when it goes in the back.
Hi, I'm Ajay and my concept is Forest of the Spring. ये basically उस एक लड़के की कहानी है जो अपने स्कूल जा रहा है उस फॉरेस्ट से होते हुए जब स्प्रिंग स्टार्ट होता है. जो चीज़ें वो देखता है उस फॉरेस्ट में like there is a chaos between the wood and the new flora fauna coming up. तो वही chaos I've tried to interpret with the brown with a bit of color. That's a poster color. That's the correlation जो मैंने अपने दिखाने की कोशिश की है इस गारमेंट में.
नहीं, पोस्टर कलर यूज़ किया है.
Yeah, but I did tea stain तो उससे color is not removing. वो थोड़ा पक्का हो गया है.
पर अगर इसको हम वॉश करेंगे तो क्या होगा?
वॉश करने से शायद थोड़ा सा कलर रिमूव हो जाएगा.
शायद का क्या मतलब?
एक लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम में ट्राइंग समथिंग.
वो तो सबने किया है, सिर्फ आप नहीं थे.
बट मेरा लाइक मेन इज लाइक द कॉन्सेप्ट व्हाट आई हैव ट्राइड टू अचीव.
Thank you.
I've incorporated the fan in my garment. It looks deceptively simple, but when you raise your hand up, it just makes a statement, it makes an impact. I've used an asymmetrical style line over here going into the skirt.
What style line?
There's a style line over here going asymmetrically. It's not very visible right now.
But when she puts her arms down, see what happens to the sleeve?
Yeah, the thing is the fit was actually, we were working on a different model size. So that's why there's a little problem in the fit right now. मैंने अदिति को choose किया है क्योंकि उनको बिल्कुल fitting ढंग से आ रही है.
My theme is spring and the concept is inspired by fall of leaves, but I have taken the opposite of spring. When जब spring जाता है तो क्या mood आता है हमारे बीच में, इसी के लिए मैंने बहुत डल कलर यूज़ किया है ऊपर के लिए. और फॉल ऑफ द लीव्स होता है तो इसीलिए लीव्स जब गिरते हैं तो आई हैव इसलिए मैंने स्लीव्स को यहाँ पे ऐसे काट के इस फॉलिंग लाइक दिस. बैक में मैंने इसको सरफेस ऑर्नामेंटेशन किया है. द वेस्ट कोट इज़ अ डबल साइडेड जैकेट. यू कैन पुट इट अराउंड दैट साइड ऑल्सो.
आपका बहुत अच्छा अटेम्प्ट है, पर ये जो जैकेट आपने बनाई है, आपने ओवर साइज क्यों बनाई है?
नहीं, इट्स अ लूज जैकेट एंड इट्स अ असिमेट्रिकल जैकेट.
No, I'm sorry, that looks like a mistake.
I thought Preth, the first thing that comes to your head is Western wear. So I just wanted to venture into like Indian wear. The pallu is buttoned up. So you can open the buttons and have it wear just like a thing with, and I made the blouse a jacket style. If you can pull it off and carry it, you could take off the pallu and just wear the jacket style blouse with this lower.
For spring, summer.
And since it was spring and all the flowers, blossom and the leaves and everything, so I just thought put in color.
I don't have a problem with the colors, पर मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि this is just a badly draped saree. सिवाय borders लगाने के कुछ खास सोचा नहीं है इसके बारे में.
I actually wanted to improvise on the blouse and the
So can I see the blouse? I don't think you've achieved something that's even presentable actually.
For me, spring is fun and frolic. So I've made my dress very bubbly and cute and very girly. So you can see a lot of flowers over here. And the top is very frilly because there's this chirpiness when you think of spring.
According to you, the silhouette of the skirt and the top work together?
I like it. I mean,
You like it? Okay.
yeah, I like
That's
it.
all I wanted to know.
I like it. I like my garment.
No, I think it's a great attempt, especially if you're not from a design background.
If you're nostalgic for the Victorian charm, then I present to you my theme, London Calling. It's an eccentric British feel which celebrates the onset and spurt of spring. I've tried to take inspiration from the wallpapers which you see in ancient European houses. They are the wallpaper prints. And luckily I got this fabric and I thought that I'll just mix it up and give an accent of neon. And the entire ensemble, if you see, is very sharp and has like European feel to it. It's very neatly cut. And little detailings, like if you see, I've given like these buttons and also detailing at the back, which is like, you know, highlighting the back seam. And also I've given like chudi pants, along with that it's a tent shift. And with that I've given like a summer jacket to wear on top, because it's very European and I feel the sombre color palette is adding to it.
So a jacket for spring summer in India, this is fine.
Yeah, this is a cotton jacket. It's without lining. You see summer jackets for men. So let's introduce a summer jacket for women. I think it's high time.
मेरा थीम सिटी स्प्रिंग है और मैंने जो कलर्स फैब्रिक एंड गारमेंट डिटेल जो यूज़ किया है, मुझे लगता है कि उसको देख और हर एक डिज़ाइनर को ऐसा कुछ, अगर आप कुछ एक थीम लेते हो और कुछ जो कि दूसरों को समझ में ही नहीं आए, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए।
आप कह रहे हैं कि ये देख के समझ आता है, ये किसको समझ आएगा?
ये हाई एंड गारमेंट है, ये सबके लिए नहीं है।
और ये जो बॉटम है, ये देखने से बहुत हैवी लगता है। You only sit on a couch and that's it. You can't move, you can't do very much.
मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता, मुझे तो लगता है कि ये बहुत ही आपको एक यूनिक फील देगा।
आपको देख के थोड़ा लगता है नहीं, it's a bit clown like.
Breathwear, according to me, is not just something which is wearable, but something which is also very commercially viable. So I've been inspired by the beam of the morning sun. I've used a basic peach color thing in the lining of my white garment, so as it increases the translucent element in it and also cuts down and nullifies the starkness of the color white. As you see, there are holes in this garment. In order to take the concept forward, in order to take the concept of the beam forward, I've used faggoting detail in complete seams of my garment. These potli buttons, as you call them, have been used at the hemline just to signify the beams.
Are you a design student?
Yeah.
You are. I understand that you're trying to make a commercial piece that should sell, but firstly, you're in a competition here, a design competition. So how is this different?
Fact that I've used these kind of small things, which are basically made of cotton only, in the hemline, which probably would, is adding a little drama to the otherwise simple silhouette.
But जो आपने detailing की है, I've seen it before. मुझे लगता है you're just trying to make a point of what might be different, but overall, when I look at it, I don't feel it's different from anything I may have seen. I mean, I've seen it before.
What is the first thing that crosses your mind when you say spring? Well, to a layman, they would think about a big green field with a lot of flowers. Well, to be honest, by default, that was the thing even I thought of. And I thought that was a perfect platform to start from. So keeping that image in mind, as a design student, I critically analyzed what it would mean to me. So I thought of being in the whole situation. When I would be there, I would see a lot of colors, which would make me feel really happy, really good. So color therapy is the first thing I would want in my garment. The second thing which I thought of was when you're around so many colors, when you wear colors, you feel really happy, very vibrant. I've started with two colors, which is orange and blue. The blue dies out and the orange continues.
Now let's talk about your shorts.
But you said that you want to reach to a lot of people. You think a lot of people would buy this?
In today's generation, everyone's trying their best to reach out and look bold and be like, you know what, I can do it. I believe that this would be it.
Like you said, that anybody who would think of spring would think of flowers, color.
Yes.
So how are you thinking different from everybody else?
Simple. There are no prints used. There is a little bit of self happening, but I've used simple fabrics to create the whole look.
I think it's fairly good. I think generally standard is very good.
Yeah.
I'm hoping that Aparna liked it.
Who's Shiva?
Shivan is the guy having his own beachwear, his own brand.
Ah, हाँ. I think वो मेरा favorite outfit था.
मैं obviously मैं जीतूंगा, मुझे तो यही लगता है। मैं क्यों बोलूं कि कोई दूसरा जीतेगा?
गोविंद का कैसा लगा?
गोविंद का बहुत अच्छा था. मतलब उसको मुझे बोलना पड़ा वो सब, but I think he did a great job.
Okay, so we're ready with the results. Let's tell them it.
Hope for the best, and hopefully I'll be there next time, thinking about my next presentation.
Welcome back, everyone.
Richita, you've been crying?
I've just been a little disturbed.
Well, guys, you know the drill. आप सब ने अपनी बहुत मेहनत दिखाई यहाँ पे, showcase की अपने garments, presentation दी, explain किया, but आप जानते हैं कि आज के इस task के बाद 2 लोग घर जाएंगे. अपर्णा ने अपना judgment तैयार कर लिया है और अब वो अपने results announce करेंगे.
So, the first is Vaishnavi.
Step ahead, please.
And the second is Kriti.
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आप लोग? एक्सपेक्ट किया था? कॉन्फिडेंट थे थोड़े?
I was confident because I thought breath according to anybody is something which is very variable.
Don't explain. Explanation का time चला गया.
I think to you, all I want to say is that this is the time, this is the platform where you can have fun. Just let yourself go. You have your whole life to think about commercial. I think yours was a great effort, but I just felt it didn't all maybe work together.
आप लोग जानते हैं अगर कोई एलिमिनेट नहीं होगा तो कंपटीशन आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा. Very sorry that 2 लोगों को आज घर जाना पड़ेगा. That's it for you. आपकी जर्नी इस रियलिटी हाउस में यहीं तक थी. It ends right here. For most of you, it continues. पहले हमें 3 कंटेस्टेंट्स छोड़ के जा चुके हैं फर्स्ट टास्क में. आज 2 लोग हमें छोड़ के जा रहे हैं. आई डोंट नो अगर आप में से किसी ने ध्यान दिया या नहीं दिया, एक कंटेस्टेंट और बीच में से हमको छोड़ के चले गए. हु इज दैट पर्सन? अर्चित.
आप पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करना चाहते? व्हाई इज दैट?
नहीं, मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया बट आई क्विट. आई मीन आई बेसिकली डिडंट गेट एन आइडिया.
All of you are young designers. CCI is doing something for you so that you can come forward. So you have to make use of it and do something. Quitting is not a solution any time in life.
I would not say I quit just like that.
I think that's as much as I can tell and advise you.
Okay. Can we, do we really have to talk in front of like so many? No, it's just that there are some issues like
बस यहीं तक. अर्चित रीजन इज टू पर्सनल टू बी टोल्ड. उसका डिस्कम्फर्ट तो हमें वर्कशॉप के दौरान ही दिख गया था, बट द फैक्ट इज दैट वो अब हमारे साथ इस शो में नहीं है. सो व्हाट नेक्स्ट? व्हाट्स द ऑप्शन फॉर देम, अपर्णा?
I think it'll be nice if all of you were to vote who out of these 2 should stay.
Sorry guys, the ball is in your court. अगर आप चाहते हैं तो इनमें से एक वापस रियलिटी हाउस में आ सकता है, but that is down to you. आपको चिट दी जाएगी, उसमें आप अपनी जो चॉइस है वो लिख सकते हैं. प्लीज पुट A for कृति, B for वैष्णवी, होप है अभी आपको कृति? लगता है कि वापस जाने का चांस है अभी? ओके, द डिसीजन इज इन. आप लोगों ने जिस कंटेस्टेंट को वापस रियलिटी हाउस में बुलाया है, दोबारा एक मौका दिया है, उसका नाम हमारे पास आ चुका है.
Shall I? Kriti, you're going to stay.